So for the next 24 hours, I'll be up in the mountains, hunting, camping, surviving, and cooking whatever I have here in this mountain. So let's see how it goes. It's all wet, man. I cannot start a fire. I gotta have to leave this place and...
So today I was planning to go out in mountains and camp there and try to go and hunt, but it's rainy season, so yeah, it's hard to hunt in this season because of the rain and the food availability. The weather seems promising, but according to the weather forecast, there will be a slight rain in the evening, so I gotta have to go up fast and find some nice spot to camp for the night. So I was planning to camp on this range on top of this mountain, and the road leads in the middle, so I'm halfway there.
My feet are burning, and I wonder, the sound, the noise, it's so irritating, but we'll try to go and hunt and see what we can find in this situation. The reason why I chose this spot at the top of the mountain, because of the view. It's about to rain and I have to find a shelter, make a shelter, and then find some firewood. And firewood is gonna be the main problem because it's about to rain. The cloud is becoming darker, so I have to find and set up my tent quickly. Unfortunately, I didn't bring any rope. I thought I'll be getting it from some kind of a fig tree, the skin of a fig tree, but well, I have to wait for the rain and then go and search for it. It stopped, so let's try to find some firewood, then make our tent properly.
I wasn't expecting this rain, but we have to try and make our tent as soon as possible before it gets dark. And if it rains, it's gonna be hard for me to go and hunt, so we have to figure it out. So I'm using whatever I have. So here up in the mountains, it's gonna be hard because the wind's gonna blow it directly. So here I'm using a fig tree's skin. That is the only best rope that I can get in a while, and they are strong and easy to find everywhere.
And the camp setup is done. Yeah. I'm pretty exhausted right now, and I have to go and find some water. So I don't have water right now, so I gotta have to figure it out. I wonder, how am I going to hunt with my dog? I tried to chase her, but she keeps following me. So gotta have to find out, and I gotta have to find some water. So there's a farm, but it's miles away. I can go there and take some water. That would be the only idea that I got. So let's take this water. Well, I got some water from some of the hut. Back at the campsite again. I've walked this road again and again for like 4 to 5 times. So I'm so exhausted right now. And let's take some rest, and then we will be ready to go for a hunt. Never got water. Okay. I'm just gonna go and explore around. I'm with my dog, so I don't think I will be able to hunt patiently. So good things about going with the dogs. They can smell and then they can chase. So try and see our luck. If we get anything, we're gonna eat like a king. But if we don't, we're gonna have to stick with whatever we have. Wow! I thought it was a bee, but it's not a bee. It's a porcupine. Porcupines or what? Pangolin. Porcupines or pangolin, maybe. Maybe porcupines or a pangolin. So this is fresh from yesterday. Yeah. So as if you can see, this is a footprint of a wild boar coming down the terrain. It's crossing the road and it went to the riverside. I've been searching for like an hour and I couldn't find any fresh tracks. So I think I came to the wrong side. So still now I couldn't find any footprints. So I'm so tired. It's about to rain, so I have to reach my camp as soon as possible. So
Weather is getting dark and we have to cook fast, or else we are out in the open, so if the wind blows hardly we will be unable to cook, so we gotta have to make it faster.
I have to cook fast before it rains. I think it's gonna rain heavily. It's raining, man, and I haven't cooked anything yet, so I'm gonna have to find a solution. It's all wet, man. I cannot start a fire. And the tent is wet too. So guys, it's getting worse and I can't start a fire. I have no firewood, so I have to abandon this place, and I have to go to the nearest hut. I'm all wet right now. It was tough, man, and now the rain stops again. So I have to cook here because I don't have any firewood there. So let me cook and eat something. I'm so hungry right now. Got some noodles and then some dry fish. Last night was extremely hard for me because of the rain. If I have the firewood, I gotta just stay there and cook some and just eat it. But the problem is I don't even have dry firewood, so I have to leave the site, and then I luckily came here to one of the huts, so I left all the tent and all the things there, and I have to go back and then take everything else again, pack everything, and I need to head back home. Oh no, man. Shit. The wind was too strong. And look at my tent. It's all blown up.